What are you doing?
I'm putting my helmet in my box.
In your box. The new box. Perfect. That is a fantastic box.
It is.
Okay, perfect. Let's see it happen. That looks like an empty box.
Gloves.
We're delighting in this because we've been humping around helmets for some period of time. Helmet. Hat. Wow. So good.
Awesome.
I'm going to do this same exact thing. Whoops. What is she doing wrong? It's got to take it. Nope. Lay it down on its side. Lay it on its side. Off the gloves. Take the gloves off from under it. And then put it in a way that it's not.
Wait.
There we go.
Box.
That was almost Pandalarium. Okay.
There was